Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make rock paper scissors game in Python. So let's get it started. Okay, let's create a Python file main.py and create a function. Okay, and okay, there are the choices. Okay, scissors. To select the random items of the list, you have to use a random module. So to use it, at first you have to import it. So import random and okay. Random dot choice. Yeah, choices is my list name. Okay, let's print it and see. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, run it. Okay, now it is working. The next thing is to take the user choice. So to do this, input. Okay, choice. Okay, I have a string, so okay. Your guess is guess. Okay, and let's check who win. So to do this, just simply type at first we check whether the user input correct choice or not. So to do this, if guess in choices, so after that if computer guess equal to guess, then the game is draw. Tie, so I'm sorry, and alif guess equal to paper, and okay, and if computer guess equal to rock, okay, then print you win. Alif, I'm sorry, computer guess okay, computer guess equal to scissors, print sorry, lose, try again, sorry, you lose, try again, and alif, I'm sorry, oh, Okay, guess. Alif, guess equal to rock. Okay, if counter guess equal to here paper print, you win. Okay, Alif, Alif counter guess equal to okay scissors print. Okay, yes, you lose. I'm sorry for that. You win. Okay, and guess equal to paper scissor. Okay, I'm sorry. Computer keys equal to I'm sorry, paper print, you win. Okay, and Alif computer keys equal to rock. Okay, and I'm sorry, so print scissor rock, you lose. You lose. Okay, it's good. So okay, yeah, it is continuously running. So I want some function, some check to break the loop. So if the user hit some key other than choices, I will break the loop. So to do this, just simply inform the user so what they have to do to exit the game or to exit the loop. So print enter q, I'm sorry, q to exit. Okay, okay, and to guess, after guess, if guess not equal to q, it's not equal to q, and okay, tab else break. Let's check whether it is working or not. Okay, I forget to call it. So rock. Okay, if I enter q, then I'm out of loop. So let's run it again and check. Rock. Okay, counter keys is paper, so I lose. So make paper. Paper. The game is tie. Scissor. Okay. Paper. Okay, it is not. I think I spelled incorrectly. So scissor. If key scissors. If counter is paper, you will you win. So yeah, everything seems good. Okay, and let's check it again. Okay, now it is working and lose computer win, so everything seem okay. So if you want some line, so then you can use escape and so okay, I want here escape and okay, let's run it. Yeah, it is perfectly working. Paper, the game is tie. I don't think I have to explain this because its syntax is simple. So if you guys stuck it somewhere, please comment down below. I appreciate that. I definitely reply your comment. Thank you for watching.